What's up? What's going on, everybody? Hope everybody's having a great day, great night, depending on where you are when you're watching this video. We got to talk about the market, guys. This market is definitely not looking the greatest right now. Should you sell it all? Should you not sell it all? What are you going to do? How are you going to handle the situation? I can't tell you what to do with your cryptocurrency portfolio, but we can go over the market and I can tell you what I'm doing with mine. And no, I'm not selling it all to tell you guys the truth. I'm actually have a different type of strategy, and we're going to look at it and we're going to see what we got going on. So we're over here on CoinMarketCap, guys, and we got a total market cap of $2.2 trillion, which is down 4% on the day. A 4% dip in any market is an absolute tremendous dip. It's a big dip. This isn't a small pullback anymore. This thing is starting to creep up to be a big pullback. And what we find out here is that I find interesting is as this market starts to pull back, what you don't see pulling back is the Bitcoin Fear and Greed Index. So people are still pretty greedy on Bitcoin. They still feel good about Bitcoin, even as this market starts to pull back, right? But a 4% decrease in this market, guys, going down to a $2.2 trillion market cap is a huge pullback. We're not going to sit here and sugarcoat that at all or make any excuses for it or try to make you feel better. That's a big pullback. Over here on TradingView, let's go ahead and take a look at the Ethereum chart real quick. This is the daily chart, guys. Um, so right now, currently, Ethereum sitting at $3,278. Key level for Ethereum right now is to hold on as best as it can to this level, because the next level down after this, where you can see some of this liquidity come in, is right down in here. Right down in here, right around the $3,000 mark, right? So if Ethereum cannot hold on to this level that it's currently at and trade in this tunnel right here where it is, then we're gonna see where there's a possibility over the holiday weekend where trading volume is already low because it's a holiday weekend, it's already low. We could see a $3,000 Ethereum, guys. So prepare yourself for that, right? So how are we preparing ourselves for this possible downturn over the holiday weekend when trading volume is already down and the market's already struggling, right? How are we doing it? What are we doing? Well, what we're doing is I've been buying Ethereum. I bought Ethereum this morning. I bought a little bit more this afternoon. If it cannot hold on to this $3,200 level, I'm going to start increasing um, the amount of Ethereum that I'm buying on its way down. So I'm definitely going to start increasing my buys on the way down and really starting to load up a little bit for that turnaround and that move back to the upside. So once we hit the $3,000 mark, I'll increase the amount that I'm buying. I'll increase the frequencies in which I'm buying it, right? So I bought some this morning. I bought a little bit this afternoon. If it continues to move to the downside, I'll buy a little bit more. Gets to $3,000, I'll start to increase my buying level on Ethereum. Why Ethereum? Well, we know that the ETFs are coming out pretty soon. We know that it's going to give it a positive push to the upside. So we're going to buy these dips, right? Bitcoin currently sitting at 59,771. It didn't only fall below 60,000, actually crashed below 60,000, guys. 59,700 is not a small dip below 60,000. It didn't hold that line at all. It didn't hold that $60,000 line at all. It actually came way below that. So here we are over here on the daily chart. Again, for Bitcoin, you can see that it's at the bottom level of support right now. So if it can't hang on to this 59,800 level throughout this holiday, we're going to probably be looking down in here somewhere, which is probably, right around that $57,000 mark. If it can't hold that level, we're going to probably be looking at 55, right? So definitely looking. It looks like and appears to be, from everything that I can see and gather, that Bitcoin is definitely going to probably drop low 59,000 dollar level over the holiday weekend, unless something dramatically happens on Friday. Um, to turn this thing around, right? But definitely not the end of the world though, because we've got to expect this, right? After the halvings, in every other cycle after the halving, you look at about a 40% drop. That's what they call the consolidation period. That, and that's what they call the accumulation period, consolidation slash accumulation period for cryptocurrency and altcoins after the halving. For the next run up, it happens every single halving cycle. We're in that cycle. We're in that pullback slash accumulation period still, and we're waiting for that move to the upside. Now, what gives us hope that we're going to move to the upside, right? But so let's talk about it, right? Where's that hope coming from? Why is everybody still bullish on crypto, or should be still bullish on crypto? One, you got the Ethereum ETFs coming out, probably sometime in July, right? My assumption, sometime in July, the Ethereum ETFs will go live. It's going to bring some more volume into Ethereum, which is going to help the Ethereum price, which will help everything that's attached to Ethereum, right? We have the Bitcoin ETFs that are performing well, for the most part, starting to get rolled out into a lot of retirement plans and things like that, which will help Bitcoin, right? And as Bitcoin goes, the market goes, right? Just the way that things roll. Not only that, you actually have the biggest miner, Bitcoin miner in the United States, Riot, increases Bitcoin hash rate by 50% in 1 month. So Riot, the biggest platform, Bitcoin mining platform in the United States, has literally doubled, increased their capacity by 50% for mining Bitcoin, guys. So when these guys are bullish on mining Bitcoin, when the ETFs put that bullish sentiment out and all of that stuff, you have to know that the market's going to turn. The market's going to turn. It's going to go move to the upside, and when it does, what you want, what you more than likely should be doing, is buying these pullbacks, right? Buying these pullbacks ready for that move to the upside. That's how you're making that money. But you have to buy these pullbacks smart. You can't go in, drop all your money all at once. You have to systematically, my opinion, how I do it is I systematically put money into a cryptocurrency, um, throughout the downturn. So I DCA my way down the best that I can. And if I don't put all the money in because the market turns around and it starts to move to the upside, I'm fine with that, right? I'm good with that. If it continues to move down, I will continue to, DCA into the project. And the further down it goes, the more frequently I'll start buying, right? Until obviously it gets to the point, if it ever gets to the point where you're like, you know what, I'm just done DCAing in, I'm good. I'll just sit where I am, sit and stay pat, right? But I don't think we're going to have that problem here. Don't think that this downturn is going to last too long. I think that we're just in this pullback, um, in this consolidation pullback. But once everything starts to run and everything starts to turn around, which will probably be early next week, sometime probably after this market starts to settle in, you'll start to see some positive movement to the upside, guys. So I don't think that this is a long-term thing. I think this is really a short-term pullback. But I definitely am taking advantage of this situation. I'm definitely taking advantage of all of these things over here that are on sale, right? When we look at it, every cryptocurrency on this board is on sale. Solana under $140, getting ready. Their ETF's not going to come out till 2025, right? But still, what a great time to load up on Solana if you can hold it until that point, right? XRP in danger right here, of going to 45 cents, right? In danger. So definitely a great buy there. Tone Coin, this thing's going to be a monster, right? It's on sale right now. Dogecoin's on sale right now. It's all on sale right now, guys. Take your pick. It's all on sale. So that's what I'm doing. No, I'm not selling. No, I'm not selling the house. No, I'm not selling all my crypto. I'm actually have a plan where I'm going to actually start accumulating more. No, this isn't going to be over tomorrow. Yes, we're going into the holiday here in the United States. It's probably going to get worse. And take advantage of the situation. This is why you have money on the side, guys. This is why we tell you have capital on the side for days like this. Crypto's a volatile asset. It's going to go up. It's going to go down. It's going to go way up and it's going to come way down. And you have to be ready for the roller coaster ride. You have to be ready to take that roller coaster ride. And you have to be ready to put money into the market when you should be putting money into the market and taking money out of the market when you should be taking money out of the market. So with that, guys, that's what I'm going to do. Go ahead and hit that like button, hit that share button, hit that subscribe button if you guys like what you hear, and we'll get back at you guys with more videos. Appreciate you guys. To the next one, we're out.